Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain installation and usage of Redis in Ubuntu system. I have attached the GitHub repository link for this project in this video. You can clone this repository from the link given in this video. Okay, first we will see follow the steps given in the readme.md file in this repository. First, we have to install the Redis server in our Ubuntu system by running this command. Okay, you can clearly see that I have already installed the Redis server in my system. So it is showing this output. To check the successful installation of the Redis server in our system, we will run this command. Okay, you can get the version of the Redis command line interface. So the Redis server is successfully installed in our system. After that, we have to check the status of the Redis server in our system. To check that, we are going to run this command. Okay, we can clearly see that the Redis server is actively running in our system. After that, we can straightly go into the coding part. Before running the Python files, we have to create the virtual environment. For that, we have to use this command and it will create the virtual environment and activate that in our Ubuntu system. As I have already created the virtual environment, I am not going to do that. Once you have created the virtual environment, just install all the required libraries which I have mentioned in the requirements.txt file. Once you have successfully installed all the libraries, then you can run the redis ping.python file to check the linkage of Python library for Redis under the Redis server. Now I am going to run that Python file. Okay, you can clearly see that the output is true, which explains that the linkage of Redis server under the Redis Python library. This Redis ping Python file contains the simple code for the linkage of the Redis server under the Python. Next, we are going to set the username key with the value wiki by the Python file. Now I am going to run this file. Okay, now the username wiki is successfully set to the key name username. Okay, now using this Python file, we are going to get that username. Okay, you can clearly see that the value for the username is obtained from this Python file. So this value is stored in the Redis server which was running in our Ubuntu system. So this is the complete working of Redis. Thank you.